Hello and welcome to this short video on Google Classroom. In this short session, we're going to look at how to create a Google Classroom and join a Google Classroom, both in the perspective of a teacher and a pupil. So we're at our Google Classroom homepage here, which you can see I'm a member of a number of classrooms. But to create a Google Classroom, if you're starting the new year in August and you want to create a classroom for a subject, or if you're a primary school teacher for your class, you can toggle up to the plus button in the top right hand corner, and when you click that you'll get two options. You can either join a class or you can create a class. We're going to focus on creating a class just now. So if we click the create a class button, we can just put a class name in here. So for primary schools it might be primary 7M. For secondary schools it might be S1 biology, S1 English. You can name them dependent on the naming convention in your school. The additional pieces of information you can add, you don't need to. The class name is the only required piece of information, but if this helps you to organize your classrooms, then feel free to add a section, a subject, or a room. Once you've created that classroom, it will appear here. So this is the classroom I created for the use of this series of videos to help support you understand Google Classroom a little bit better. So if we go in here, the second option, if you wanted to join a class, you'd have options is either to sign in with a class code, or you could use a link URL that a teacher or a staff member could send you. But the class code might not make a lot of sense just now because you don't know where to find that. So if you're a teacher wanting a host or a cohort of pupils to access your classroom, you don't have to individually add your pupils. You can go into the classroom you've created and you can see this class code. Now this class code can be shared in a number of ways. The easiest way is to display it in full screen on your interactive whiteboard. And here, what pupils would do is they would simply type in the class code to this join class box here, and they would automatically be invited and join your classroom.